Hello guys, welcome to the first session of the MetaMask training. In this session we will talk a little bit about MetaMask and we are going to try to install it on the browser. Follow us. If you didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to be informed about upcoming meeting and other videos. Let's go to MetaMask website. MetaMask is cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. You can install this wallet on different platforms and use it, like iOS, Android, and different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. I have a different browser in my notebook, and now I want to install MetaMask on Chrome. And if I click here, it will redirect me to the Chrome extension page. If you want to install MetaMask on another browser, simply go to the MetaMask website in that browser or type, for example, in Firefox, type install MetaMask on Firefox. This simply happened. Go to the advanced Firefox and click to add to Firefox. Well, back to the Chrome browser. Click on Add to the Chrome, add extension, wait to install, done it, okay. Now, I have a MetaMask in my browser and I need to create a wallet on MetaMask. So, click Get Started. There are two options here. We don't use the option on the left at the moment. And we click on the option on the right to create a wallet on MetaMask. This section provides information about MetaMask that you can read it. Click I agree. In this part, you have to choose a strong password. Try to have a combination of letter, number, and symbol in the selected password. The password must be at least 8 digits. Type your password. Well, if you read the rules of MetaMask and you agree with it, this checkbox should be selected so that you can go to the next step. If you didn't read the rules, you can click here and read the rules. Back to the MetaMask. Click on the Create. This section provides information about the security of the wallet and there is a video that you can watch. Click the next. This section, the security statement given to you should be kept in a safe place. For example, write in a notebook or physical place, out of the reach of others. Because if someone has access to it, use your wallet, and this is dangerous. Click here. The order of the phrases is very important, and you should write them down in the order. I'm copying these phrases into a file. Create a file and copy. You should never do that. Click next. In this section, you must select the phrases in order to confirm this section and finish creating the wallet. Dilemma, float, caution, no, shrimp. No, shrimp. Click confirm. This session is over. Thank you for watching this video. We will continue the training in the next session.